Longaberger Building. The Longaberger company is known for making handcrafted maple wood baskets and other lifestyle products. It is only fitting that their office building in Ohio looks like their finest product. RMF television and radio station. These futuristic-looking port-like buildings belong to RMF Radio and television station in Krakow, Poland. Nakagin Capsule Tower. The Japanese are always known for their inventive styles in any area of designs. One look at the Nakagin Capsule Tower in Tokyo gave us a good idea as to where they gained their reputation. Stata Center. The Stata Center in Massachusetts looks like it is slowly crumbling away from one direction, but that is the genius of this modern building. ING headquarters. This is the headquarters of the mega group ING in Amsterdam. The building looks like a crossover between a spaceship and a zeppelin. Banknote Building. There might be something morally wrong with making an entire office building look like a giant currency note, but the giants in Kaunas, Lithuania doesn't seem to care. Kansas City Library. Libraries around the world definitely need a makeover to appeal to a younger demographic. This Kansas City Library seems to have the right idea.